Hello YouTube friends, welcome to the Painted South. In today's video, I'm going to show you what we've been doing around our house. I want to thank you so much for stopping by and visiting my channel. So if you are new here or you happen to have missed my last video, we sold our old home and we purchased another one on a little bit of wooded acreage tucked in the back of the property on a private clearing. So as you can see, there will always be plenty to do to clean up the fallen trees and overgrown vines, but we did have someone that wanted to harvest the pine needles, and so there are lots and lots of bales still stacked up that they need to pick up. The cats were so intrigued and anxious to get out and explore their new territory. Cass has already been fighting with a stray that we've seen hanging around the house. So since we are surrounded by trees, you don't get to see the beautiful sunsets, but the sky is still beautiful to look at directly overhead. We found a few trails located behind the house that are pretty much cleared and perfect for exploring. I love getting inspiration from nature, and we have lots of it all around the house that is really pushing me in the direction that I would like to go with the interior design for the inside of the house and the color palette I will be using. As everyone already knows, you can never go wrong using neutrals and colors from the great outdoors. So our new local area has lots of muscadine fields and farms, and we have some in our own yard ready for picking. So we have really been enjoying being back here in the woods and having all of this privacy and property. So I took a walk through the front and I took some shopping bags with me, and I found absolutely huge pine cones. Now, I had purchased pine cones just like this last year for $1 a piece at an antique mall, and I was so excited to find all of these in the front. My brother actually came down and found a ton as well. I think he got a contractor bag full. I need to go back out and pick up some more because I love decorating with them for the fall and Christmas holiday season. So of course, because there are so many creepy crawlies that come out of freshly picked pine cones, the first thing I did was wash them in water with white vinegar. After about 20 or 30 minutes, they were all closed up, so I rinsed them off, put them back in the bag, and took them outside to dry in the sun on the back porch. Well, playtime was over and it was time to work on the inside of the house. We had a dumpster delivered for all of the materials we are going to be removing, to include these dirty, stinky, dated curtains. Now, this house had carpet almost everywhere, including the bathrooms that went the whole way up to the toilet. And no surprise, this one was actively leaking. One of the many things that our home inspector missed. Now, this stain was obviously still wet, but if you can't tell for sure, if you're not sure how wet something might be, you can buy one of these moisture meters for about 40 bucks, and you can do masonry, drywall, softwood, and hardwood. And for plywood, you want to put it on hardwood, and it will tell you how wet the surface is, or if it's sort of wet, or if it's within the limits that it should be, which would be dry. Renovating your home is such hard work, but the reward of having a fresh, clean space designed with your own style is totally worth it. Okay, so we all know that carpet can be very comfortable, but someone else's carpet that has lived on the carpet for years and years is really disgusting. And when I was ripping up this carpet, it looks like there are just dog pee stains all over the back of it. It's absolutely disgusting. Now, they did have these carpets steam cleaned before the showing. They had everything painted and cleaned, and so you could not see a lot of this. I can't even imagine what this house looked like before they came in and tried to clean it up. But if we had not ripped out this carpet, I never would have seen just how absolutely disgusting they really were. And so I'm so glad that all of this is going to be out of the house and ready for a fresh, clean surface. Okay, yes, we have scorpions here in South Carolina, and apparently they are in the attic as well, but no worries. We are having all of the insulation removed and any unwanted critters, and then we're having it sanitized and sprayed for pest, and then new insulation installed back in the attic. So we are in the process of tackling all of the behind the scenes hard work, but it won't be long until we are ready to be putting all the new flooring in and doing lots of fun projects. So I'm not sure if we're going to tackle the kitchen this year or wait until later on. I would really love to change all of the kitchen cabinets, have new countertops and new appliances, but we just really don't want to be in a full kitchen remodel through the fall and through the holidays. So if we do anything, it's going to be a budget makeover, some really fun projects. I will share that with you. I have some ideas on how to make this kitchen look amazing for very little money. So follow along if you would like to see all of those ideas. And then when we do a full kitchen renovation, I will share that with you as well. Now, I will have a video coming out. I'm going to take you along with me to pick out all of our flooring and tile. I'm really excited about that one. But my next video is going to be a shopping haul from Dollar Tree, Walmart, Carolina Pottery, and Hobby Lobby. So I hope you all enjoyed this very short video. I'm so glad to be sharing this journey with you all. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It really helps out my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.